This is Pakistan Affairs MCQ series, episode 8, part 4. In this video, we will cover the MCQs regarding Muslim religious and mystical movements in South Asia. In part 4, we will cover 10th MCQs about the Bhakti movement. So let's start. First MCQ is, the Bhakti was a religious revival movement of options are Muslims, Sikhs, Hindus, none of them. So the correct option here is Hindus. So Bhakti movement was a religious revival movement of Hindus. The Bhakti was a religious movement based on options are hatred, love and devotion, religion, none of them. So the correct option here is love and devotion. So Bhakti was a religious movement based on love and devotion. Third MCQ is, Bhakti movement originated in India's area. Options are East India, Tamil Nadu, Bengal, Karachi. So the correct option here is Tamil Nadu. So the Bhakti movement originated in India's area of Tamil Nadu. Fourth MCQ is, the Bhakti movement began to spread during rule. Options are British rule, Hindu rule, Mughal rule, Sikh rule. So the correct option here is Mughal rule. Bhakti movement began to spread during the Mughal rule. Fifth MCQ is, the Bhakti movement was initially against. Options are caste distinctions, equality, love, hatred. So the correct option here is caste distinction. So the Bhakti movement was initially against the caste distinction. Sixth MCQ is, the Bhakti movement discarded monopoly of. Options are Brahman, untouchable, Muslims, none of them. So the correct option here is Brahmans. So Bhakti movement discarded the monopoly of Brahman. The Bhakti movement discarded rituals of. Options are untouchable, Muslims, Brahman, none of them. So the correct option here is Brahman. So the Bhakti movement discarded the rituals of Brahman. Eighth MCQ is, Bhakti movement got immense popularity among the masses due to preaching of. Options are love, equality, peace, all of them. So the correct option here is all of them. Ninth MCQ is, during the 14th to 17th century, Bhakti movement swept through. Options are East India, West India, Central and Northern India, and none of these. So the correct option here is Central and Northern India. So during the 14th to 17th century, Bhakti movement swept through areas of Central and Northern area. 10th MCQ is, Bhakti movement taught that people could cast aside the heavy burdens of rituals and caste and simply express their overwhelming love for. Options are God, saint, semi-gods, none of them. So the correct option here is God. So these are just few of the MCQs about Bhakti movement. I hope you are enjoying this series. Give your feedback in a comment section. Thank you so much.